and good afternoon. This is Austin Day again here at Porsche Riverside. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful Targa 4S in adventuring green metallic and our beautiful cognac interior. We're also going to be talking about the different tech equipment items that we can use to keep this car protected. I'm very excited to show you how to take care of this car. The first thing I want to go over, since we know that most 911s aren't driven as a daily commuter, is going to be a way to protect it while it's sitting at home. And that's going to be very easy with our fitted car cover made specifically for the 911, so you can make sure that the car is covered, protected, and still stylish. So on those days that you are taking your 911 out for a drive, you get a little brake dust on there, maybe a little road debris, we want to make sure to protect those wheels with our Porsche equipment wheel cleaner kit. That's going to give you not only the wheel spray, a sponge, but also some other brushes to really help you get into those nooks and crannies of your rim, keeping that rim nice and fresh and back to be stored safely. While we're sitting here at the front of the car, let's go over how to keep the frunk itself clean. Now, we have our equipment front cargo liner here, and that's going to keep it clean. If you are using that wheel kit, you have some dirty rags or anything that might get that carpet dirty, it's going to be much easier to clean the liner itself, and it is removable. Since we already discussed that you may not be driving your 911 every day, we want to make sure the battery stays in good health. Now with the 911, it's kind of hard to get to the battery, a little bit more work, but with our equipment item, the Charge-O-Mat Pro, you're actually able to plug it right into the 12-volt outlet and charge your car that way. So it makes it a lot easier while still keeping your battery up to date. Now let's say you get your Targa and it comes with the standard exhaust tips, but you want it to match with the Porsche logo and model designation in that polished aluminum. You can get the equipment Sport exhaust tips. That's going to give you the choice to either do high gloss black, or in this case, we chose the silver to go ahead and match it all up. Thank you again for spending the time with us learning about this Targa 4S. If you're ever in Riverside, please stop by Porsche Riverside. Feel free to ask for Austin Day. I'll be more than happy to go further into detail and share this car with you.